Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is a speed test between the Nokia 3.1 and the Redmi Y2. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now Nokia 3.1 sports a MediaTek MT6750N processor with Mali T860 MP2 GPU, while Redmi Y2 sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Now these are the Geekbench scores of both phones. For some reason Antutu benchmark isn't running on the Nokia 3.1, so for comparison, I'm just going to use the Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the speed test where I open these 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. After that, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time, then you can see which phone has the raw performance and offers you a better GPU. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but Redmi Y2 was slightly faster for most of the applications, so I'll pick Redmi Y2 as the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the first 8 applications on both phones at the same time and open them again in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Now for a regular memory management test, I usually open 12 applications. But in this case, Nokia has only 2 GB of RAM. So to check the memory management, I have reduced the number of applications. So let's see how they perform. Memory management is good on both phones. Nokia retrieved many apps even though it just had 2 GB of RAM. But comparatively, Redmi Y2 did better because it had more RAM. If you really want to buy a Nokia phone, you can consider this round as a tie, but I'll pick Redmi Y2 as the winner. Now I'll start opening games. Let's see which phone will be faster. While opening games, Redmi Y2 was noticeably faster than Nokia 3.1. So once again, Redmi Y2 is the winner. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.